How to install YouTube TV on Apple TV. First, turn on your Apple TV, then navigate to your home page. Using the remote, scroll to the App Store icon and select it. In the App Store, use the search function, usually located at the top of the screen, to search for YouTube TV. Once you find the YouTube TV app in the search results, select it. On the YouTube TV app page, select the download button to begin the installation process. Wait for the app to download and install onto your Apple TV. The installation progress will be indicated by a progress bar. After the installation is complete, you can find the YouTube TV app on your Apple TV's home screen. You can open it by selecting the app icon with your remote. Once the YouTube TV app is installed, you may need to sign in with your YouTube TV account. Thanks for watching.